Hey guys, welcome back to our Mary Street studio project. We've made some exciting progress over the past couple weeks. What I'd like to do today is delve into some of the details. We'll take a close look at what we've done so far and talk a little bit of building science. Just yesterday we poured our 10-inch concrete wrap slab here. So we just stripped the forms this morning. We're getting ready to install our 5-inch EPS foam frost protection perimeter. If you want to jump down, I'd love to show you some of the details of this raft slab assembly. All right, so as you saw in our previous video, we had our helical piles and our rebar installed. Yesterday, we just poured our concrete. Again, this is a newer product from Lafarge. It's called EcoPact. It's 30% reduced carbon. So anytime we get the opportunity to use a more sustainable product, we jump all over it. So that's what we did here. So on top of this bed of pea gravel, we've got 7 inches of EPS foam. Then we've got our 15 mil Perminator vapor barrier and radon control. And then on top of that will be our 10-inch concrete wrap slab. So the way that this is going to work, in order to keep all of our control layers continuous, is this Perminator is going to come up the sides of our walls and then wrap underneath of our bottom plate. From there, that will wrap up the inside of our 2x6 structural wall and connect to our interior vapor control layer, which is going to be our Intello membrane. So all of these details are critical just to ensure that all of our control layers are continuous from below slab, up the walls, all the way up to our roof. So what we're working on today is our 4-foot frost perimeter. So we've got 7 inches of EPS foam, which slopes down to about 5 inches for drainage. And what Mac's working on here is leveling out our HPB, which will then set the base for this frost perimeter. So this frost perimeter is going to protect this outer rim of soil from freezing and getting underneath of our slab and compromising our structure. So that's our next step. Then we're going to finish backfilling, and next week we're going to start framing these walls. Thanks for joining us on this update. We'll keep you posted. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.